Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the device and getting straight into settings. If you're on an iPhone, search for Announce Calls. On Android, look for Caller ID announcements or notifications under Sound or Accessibility. Once in the area, you're looking for a single toggle or menu labeled Announce, Read Caller, or Voice Notifications. Tap that entry now and hold from here. You'll change a mode, not reinstall anything. Make sure your phone isn't in a restricted user profile while you make these changes. Now you'll change the announcement behavior itself. On iPhone, set Announce Calls to off or choose Never. This stops Siri from speaking incoming names. On many Android skins, choose Do Not Announce or disable caller announcements inside the phone or accessibility app. If a third-party assistant app is managing calls, open that app, Voice Assistant, Talkback, Bixby, and turn off call readouts. Once done, restart the phone to ensure the new preference loads and that any permission prompts are reset. Finish by testing with a quick incoming call to confirm the announcement is gone. Make sure to test with Bluetooth or wired headphones because some devices route announcements there. If you still hear voice announcements, go back and revoke notification or microphone access for any assistant or phone manager app, then reboot. As a last resort, check carrier-installed apps or call features. Some SIM services push readouts. Disable or remove those. If problems continue, contact your carrier or device support for a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.